This is our front of our building and our flat in Schwendau, Austria. And there's those mountains. And we're gonna walk around the neighborhood a little bit, and James is going to play some fetch. This is a little bakery right by our house. Good morning from Schwendau, Austria, in the heart of the mountains. Chris and James are, Chris and James are playing fetch. James is playing fetch. James doesn't like to leave the ball, that's the problem, so he cries. So it's really frosty. We have a little blue car, and Chris was laughing at me because I called our car Frosty the Blue Car. So those two little places right there, that's our place. So they're the same buildings. Ours is the one on the left, and then we're on the second floor on the right side. And so this is the nice big field that we look out on. They're starting to get sun up there. We're still down in the shadows. So it's a little chilly this morning. I think it's about 0 degrees Celsius.
too tired.
Yeah.
But he doesn't bring her back.
So that's our place. Right here. This is a creek by our house, and it obviously has a dam somewhere upstream because yesterday it was empty and had like no water in it, and today it's got a ton of water. It's just flowing. But it's really nice, this little trail. This is where we just came from, right here, and there's our house over there. Wow, the sun's really starting to come up into the valley. And then now the trail turns and goes along the water here. And they have this like Kunstfluss all along. I thought that one was kind of pretty. There's a lot of water. Danger. Sunshine. Yay! So the pool is obviously not open. I don't know if you can see, it has ice on it. This whole pool beach area is probably happening in the summertime. Here's the sign about the Kunstfluss. And there's a bunch of spots along the river with art. There's Brownie and James.
Come on, bud.
So we've kind of finished our loop that's kind of on the more quiet side that doesn't have cars or anything. And now we're coming up on the main road, and then we cut through town to get back to our apartment. And this little bridge here just across the street is like, even like, we're in kind of a little village. That's even more town over there, where there's like actually, you know, the apotheka and the gas station, the train station, and the grocery stores, doctors, things like that. That's the main road where we came in. Oh, there's the train. So that is the school. It's really pretty. This is just more of the village as we walk back to our place.